You'll be right up there.
Try not to scream. Yeah, you short it.
Your daughter's a little taller than you, isn't she?
She's a lot taller than me. And now my son is taller than me. So, yeah, I'm shrinking with old age.
Going on vacation and what happened?
It happened. Raise your right leg. And now the other. Right leg. And now the other. And with this arming down to the floor. And now switch arms. Okay. Teddy, lie on your left side, face me this way. Side down just a little bit. Great. Excellent. Side down just a little bit. And now flat on your back. A little traction here. Big breath in and out. Teeth together. And just hand up by your ear. Big breath. And out. Good. And big breath. And out. Okay. And let's heavy sip all the way. Good. And big breath. And out. Up again. Big breath. And out. Good. And then just right over here in the chair. And then turn your face this way. As far as you can. And that's it. Okay. Yeah, just nice and easy. And there we go. Scrunch your shoulders up and slowly relax. And scrunch them up. And slowly relax. And one more time.
Shoulders are all tied together.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.